Install the split backup gland behind the ductile iron pipe bell. Tighten the clamping bolts to the recommended torque specification. After removing the side brackets and bolts from the split one-lock wedge action restraining gland, install the halves on the spigot end of the pipe, with the lip facing the bell end using the brackets and bolts. Install the threaded restraining rods aligned to the matching bolt holes in the split backup gland. Place one nut on the rod behind the split backup gland and one nut on the rod behind the split wedge restrainer gland. Hand tighten the nuts. Insert the remaining threaded restraining rods and hand tighten the nuts. Pull the wedge action restraining gland on the spigot pipe away from the pipe bell until the backup gland sits evenly against the pipe bell slope. In a star pattern, hand tighten the blue actuating bolts until contact is made between each wedge segment and the pipe wall. Tighten the break-off top bolts in an alternating star pattern until the heads fracture, locking the wedge action restraining gland against the pipe wall. Snug the retaining nuts in a star pattern to ensure a sound assembly.